Haven't you heard that Albert Einstein and Isaac Newton are assumed to have INTP personality? It's the rarest personality type. They account for about 3 to 5% of the population. As the name suggests, they are introverted, intuitive, always thinking and perceiving things. They are the ones who are always in search of innovation, inventiveness, and understanding. Do you know what it means to be an INTP? Let's dig out how. Oh no, 97% of you yet to subscribe to the channel. That makes us very sad. Help us reach more people. For the sake of algorithm, subscribe now. 1. Analytical. You must have come across the famous quote regarding INTPs. Isabel Briggs rightfully said that INTPs are perhaps the most intellectually profound of all the types. Turns out, it is true after all. They have intellectual qualities that enable them to excel at their work. They sure can read through the lines, analyze things, and are quick in making decisions, hence making them perfect for any work environment. They can jot down important points and link them together. For them, this world is a multi-part machine. Each part needs to be studied so that they can understand it well. 2. Imaginative. They like to take on challenges and difficult tasks. This one trait signifies them above all. It's a no-brainer that they are thoughtful thinkers who can fully understand things that are way beyond others to comprehend. They look at things and concepts in a different manner. Others can think according to their viewpoint. They are explorers of new ideas. They look out for likely possibilities. They are on constant look as to how they can make improvements, be it a product, commodity, or a simple thing. So guys, they are sure the imaginative ones amongst all personality types. 3. Objective. As I've told you earlier, INTPs search for understanding and innovation. While doing so, they are looking out for truth and they are being objective in their quest. They desire perfection and are looking for ways to remove irregularities. They handle different challenges with open-mindedness, innovation, and obviously objectivity. They are a firm believer in logic, facts, and figures. They are even open to others' opinions if they are backed by logical sense. I hope you are following me through. Let's jump to the next one. 4. Enthusiastic. The only thing that excites these introverts is exploring new possibilities and ideas. They are a source of encouragement for others. This is the reason why they fit within any job perfectly. Unlike normal people, they don't like discussing other people's life affairs. They hate gossiping and would rather do something constructive. Oh, let me tell you, what would actually excite them when it comes to people? You will be surprised, cause it's their motivations, skill, or tendencies that attract them the most. They are one-of-a-kind types of personality types. 5. Straightforward and honest. INTPs are straightforward and honest people. They are true and committed to others. They are also transparent in their dealings. As a partner, INTPs are someone who craves loyalty. They are characterized as emotionally vulnerable people. They don't go out beyond their limits when it comes to making relationships. They remain within their relaxation zone. Relationships never come easy to INTPs. When they are in love, they expect others to be honest and straightforward with them just as they are. 6. Thirst for knowledge. Soaking information is what they can do for eternity. It's a never-ending appetite that they can't get enough of. The topic is wide-ranging from philosophy, religion, and other topics that are deep and yet meaningful. They would give up on anything for this: reading, learning forever, and discovering. Being an information sponge gives them the delight that nothing could give them. Considering this, even when their careers are concerned, they are the ones who opt for the jobs that are technical, such as science and engineering. When working in the category of arts, their exceptional work speaks for themselves. If you like this kind of video, please give us a thumbs up, and a sub to the channel will be grateful. We have something you might want to check out in the description below. Thanks for watching.